Awesome. All right, now bow gets a rest again because I want to see those fingers land on the A string. Wrist, you know this bendy part, it's called the wrist. Wrist, we're going to ask you to stay really smooth like a big ski jump or a skateboard road there. So we need to open this up. That's what I'm talking about. Can you feel that? Mm-hmm. So if she starts to go up by the wood and you need to open up again here. All right, B, you're looking good. Where's C sharp? Here comes C sharp. Good. And D, good. And we lift up, lift up, lift up. Yay. All right, so now let's hear that with the bow.
Am I the last student that goes here at night? On Mondays? Oh, wow.
Okay, let's do A. Rock to A, ready, play.
So,
Monkey song on A now. Good, open your hand. Good, turn out for 1 second, open hand a little bit more. Good, third finger land, ready, go. Good, it's gonna help third finger.